Good morning students. In today's class we are going to revise the lesson number 5, that is light and sound. Okay. So in this lesson first we will discuss about the light, and then we will discuss about the sound. Okay, so you know that earth supports life because it receives plenty of light and heat from the sun. So there are 8 planets, and out of 8 planets earth is the only planet where the life exists. Why? What is the reason? Light is also one of the reason. Okay, so light is also one of the reason. So next, you know that all the animals and birds, all living organisms which are living on this earth, they are needed the light. And you know that if about sound, if we talk about, we hear sound all around us. Of course we can hear sound all around us, and that sound enable us to communicate with each other. So that sound ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗ ಒಬ್ರಿಗೊಬ್ರ ಜೊತೆ communicate ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ help ಆಗುತ್ತಾ. And that sound is produced due to the vibration of the objects. Sound ಹೆಂಗ್ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ, ಬಿಸುವಂತ ಗಾಳಿ ಒಳಗೆ ಏನಿರ್ತಾವ ವೈಬ್ರೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತಾವ. ಸೊ ಅದರಿಂದ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾವು ಸೌಂಡ್ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾವ. ಸೊ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸೌಂಡ್ಸ್ ದಟ್ ವಿ ಹಿಯರ್ ರೀಚ್ ಅವರ್ ಇಯರ್ಸ್ ಥ್ರೂ ವೈಬ್ರೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಏರ್. ನಮ್ಮ ಮುಂದೆ ನಿಂತ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾರ, ಹೌದಾ? ಸೊ ಅವ್ರ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಅವ್ರು ಮಾತಾಡಿರುವಂತ ಸೌಂಡ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಬಂದು ಹೆಂಗ್ ರೀಚ್ ಆಗತ್ತಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಥ್ರೂ ದ ವೈಬ್ರೇಷನ್ಸ್ ವಿಚ್ ಆರ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಏರ್. ಗಾಳಿ ಒಳಗಿರುವಂತ ವೈಬ್ರೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಇಂದ ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತಾ ಸೌಂಡ್ ರೀಚ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, and yes, so let's talk about the light first. You know that sun is the main source of light and heat on the earth. So we are getting light from the sun. So sun is the only source of light and heat on the earth. Namaga heat ಮತ್ತು light ಸಿಗ್ತೈತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದರ only source ಏನು light, and life would not be possible without light. ಹೌದಾ? ಸೊ ಏನು ಇಫ್ ಲೈಟ್ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಲೈಫ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಆಲ್ ದ ಟೈಮ್ ಡಾರ್ಕ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕತ್ತಲೊಳಗೆ ಇರಕ್ಕೆ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್ ಐತಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ಲೈಫ್ ಇನ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಆಫ್ live and survive. So sunlight gives us energy and warmth to every living thing. ಹೌದಾ? ಸನ್ಲೈಟ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾ ನಮಗೆ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ವಾರ್ಮ್ತ್ ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ to every living things, not only to human beings as well as to the birds and animals. It gives energy and warmth. It takes about 8 minutes and 20 seconds. 8 minutes and 20 seconds. For sunlight reach the earth. ಲೈಟ್ ಬಂದು ನಮ್ಮ ಅರ್ತ್ ಅನ್ನ ರೀಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಟೈಮ್ ತಗೋತೈತಿ? 8 minutes ಮತ್ತೆ 20 seconds ತಗೋತೈತಿ. ಓಕೆ, and you know that there are two types of objects, and these are the luminous objects. Luminous objects. One more is non-luminous objects. So ಎರಡು ತರ objects ಬರ್ತಾವ. So our luminous objects and non-luminous objects. So let's see what are the luminous objects. Objects that give out light are called as objects. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ objects light ಅನ್ನ ಕೊಡ್ತಾವಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ objects ಗೆ luminous object ಅಂತೀವಿ. So the examples like sun and candle. Candle ಮತ್ತೆ sun, of course ಅವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾವು ನಮ್ಗೆ ಲೈಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕೊಡ್ತಾವ. So yes, those are the perfect example for the luminous objects. So next, about non-luminous object. Objects that do not give out light are called as non-luminous objects. ಯಾವ objects light ಅನ್ನ ಕೊಡಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ non-luminous object ಅಂತೀವಿ. So examples for the non-luminous objects are paper and table. Still many are there. Paper and table. Table ಏನು ಕೊಡಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ ನಮಗ ಲೈಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕೊಡಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲ. Next paper. ಇಲ್ಲಿ paper ಐತಿ, paper ನಮಗ ಲೈಟ್ ಕೊಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ obviously. So such these are the examples for the non-luminous objects. Okay, you know that one more is that is light travels in a straight line. travels in a straight line. Light ಹೆಂಗ್ travel ಅಂತ straight line ಒಳಗ travel ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. For example, ನೀವು ಬ್ಯಾಟರಿ ಲೈಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಬಾಡಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಬಿಟ್ರಿ ಅದು ಹೆಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೋ ಏನ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ zigzag ಒಳಗೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೋ obviously ಅದು ಏನು ಹೋಗುತ್ತಾ ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತಾ. So we can say that light travels in a straight line. It cannot bend around the corners. ಅದ್ರ ಕಾರ್ನರ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತಾವ ಲೈಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಈಗ ಇದು ಬ್ಯಾಟರಿ ಇಂದ ಆ ಕಡೆ ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಕಾರ್ನರ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ರೀಚ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದೊಂದು ಕಾರ್ನರ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿ ಬೆಂಡ್ ಆಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಲೈಟ್ ಯಾವತ್ತು. It doesn't bend at all. And you must have noticed that the streams of light coming through clouds or trees travel in a straight line. For example, ಏನು ಸ್ಕೈ ಇಂದ ಅದು ಸನ್ ಇಂದನೂ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಲೈಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅದನ್ನು ಅದರದ್ದು ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಲೈನ್ ಒಳಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾವ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಒಳಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಲೈನ್ ಒಳಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ we can say that light travels in a straight line. Now next one is about reflection of light. Reflection of light. Andre when the light, so there is a particular definition. So the definition of the reflection of light is when light falls on a smooth shiny surface like a mirror or a polished metal, it bounces back and that is called as reflection of light. ಯಾವಾಗ ಒಂದು ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತಾ ಲೈಟ್ ಬೀಳುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ಅದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ರಿಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೊಳೆ ರಿಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತೀವಿ ರಿಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಲೈಟ್ ಅಂತೀವಿ. And of course there are three types of objects. Those are called as opaque object, translucent object and transparent object. So what is the meaning of opaque object? When light hits an object and cannot pass through it, that object called as opaque object. ಯಾವಾಗ ಒಂದು ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಥ್ರೂ ಲೈಟ್ ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತೀವಿ opaque object. For examples of the opaque objects are book, aluminum, foil, etc. Next one is a translucent object. The objects which allow light to pass through them partially. ಯಾವಾಗ ಒಂದು ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಥ್ರೂ ಪಾರ್ಷಿಯಲಿ ಲೈಟ್ ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತೀವಿ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಲೂಸೆಂಟ್ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಂತೀವಿ. ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಟಿಶ್ಯೂ ಪೇಪರ್, ಗಾಗಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸೆಟ್ರಾ. So last one is that is transparent object, that is called as the objects which allow light to pass through them completely. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ objects through light complete ಆಗಿ pass ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತೀವಿ transparent object ಅಂತೀವಿ. So for examples are like glass, water and etc. Okay. So next if we talk about sound, you know that sound can travel only through a medium. Sound ಒಂದು medium through travel ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾ. And sound is a sensation created in the brain by the vibrations. Sound andre enu, it is a sensation which created in our brain by the vibrations which are present in the air. Okay, and sound travels through the air in the form of waves. Sound ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾ actually air ಒಳಗಿಂದ air through travel ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾ in the form of what? In the form of waves. Okay, next we hear all kinds of sounds. Yes, we can hear all kinds of sounds like first all kinds of whether it is a harsh sound, whether it is a soft, pleasant, unpleasant, loud sound, we can hear all kinds of sounds with the help of our ears. Okay, so next you know that we loud and unpleasant sound is called as noise. Of course loud ಮತ್ತೆ unpleasant sound ಏನಂತೀವಿ noise. See here. So unpleasant ಅಂದ್ರೆ sound loud sound ಗೆ ನಾವು ಏನಂತೀವಿ noise ಅಂತೀವಿ. And of course these loud and unpleasant sounds are very harsh to our ears. ಕಿವಿಗೆ ಏನಿರ್ತಾವ ಬಹಳ harsh ಇರ್ತಾವ. Okay, and musical notes have regular and repeating sound waves which are pleasant to hear. Of course musical notes ಇರ್ತಾವಲ್ಲ ಅದರಿಂದ musical instrument ಇಂದ ಬರುವಂತ ಒಂದು noise ಅದು ಏನು sound ಹೆಂಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಬಹಳ pleasant ಇರುತ್ತೆ. It is very pleasant to our ears. So there are actually four types of sounds, and those are the soft sound, unpleasant sound, next one is pleasant sound, and last one is that is loud sound. These are the four types of sounds: soft sound, unpleasant sound, pleasant sound, and loud sound. ಒಂದು ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಕ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರೂಮೆಂಟ್ ಇಂದ ಬರುವಂತ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಹೇಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಬಹಳ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ಪ್ಲೀಸೆಂಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಟ್ಟೆ ಕಿವಿಗೆ ಕೇಳಕ್ಕಾಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಅನ್ಪ್ಲೀಸೆಂಟ್ ಬಹಳ ಲೌಡ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಲೀಸೆಂಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹಿತಕರವಾದ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಬಹಳ ಹಿತ ಅನಿಸ್ತದೆ ಕೇಳಕ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಒಂದು ಸಾಂಗ್ ಹಚ್ಚಿದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಹೆಂಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಕೇಳಕ, ಪ್ಲೀಸೆಂಟ್ ಸೌಂಡ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಇಸ್ ಲೌಡ್ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬಹಳ ನಾಯ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Okay, what is noise? Loud and unpleasant sound antivi noise antivi. Houda? So that is called as loud sound. So all the these are the four types of sounds. Now if we talk about the question and answers of this lesson, so there are they have given question and answers of this lesson, like fill in the blanks, write true or false, match the following, and short answer type questions and also long answer type questions. Okay, so see here, fill in the blanks. First one, irregular sound waves are called as noise. Next, like light sound travels through a air in the form of vibrations, and the objects through which light passes completely are called as transparent objects, and light travels in a straight line. Fifth one, the objects that do not give us light are called as non-luminous lights. Next, write true or false. First one, the moon is the main source of light and heat on the earth is called as false. Next, sunlight takes about 8 minutes and 20 seconds to reach the earth is called as true. Next, when light hit a surface and cannot pass through it is called, the surface is called as translucent, it is false. Next, objects which do not allow light to pass through them are called as opaque objects, it is true. Now match the following. Luminous object, sun, or luminous object is sun. Sun is called as luminous object. Next, bouncing back of light is called as reflection. Next, a type of sensation produced in the brain by vibrations are called as sound. Next, objects which allow light to pass partially through them are called as translucent. Okay, so you know that now short answer type of questions are there. First question is, what is the main source of light on and earth? That is called as sun. Next, in what form does sound travel? Sound travel in the form of waves. Next, define reflection of light. When light falls on a smooth shiny surface like a mirror or a polished metal surface, it bounces back and that is called as reflection of light. Next, what are the luminous objects? So objects that give out light are called as luminous objects. Okay, and next one is, how does light travel? Light travel in a straight line. These are the short answer type questions. So next, what is the long answer type questions are there? Like, what is the difference between luminous and non-luminous objects? So luminous objects, what they do, they just give out the light. The objects which give out the light are called as luminous objects, and the objects which do not give out the light are called as non-luminous objects. And write some examples for both of them. Second one, what are opaque, translucent and transparent objects? Give two examples for each. So opaque objects andre, see here, when light hits an object and cannot pass through it are called as opaque objects. For example, book, board, anything. Next, the objects which allow light to pass through it partially are called as translucent objects. Examples are like tissue paper, goggles, etc. Next, the objects which allow light to pass through it completely are called as transparent. Examples are glass and water. Okay. So next, what are the different types of sounds? Soft sound, unpleasant sound, pleasant sound and loud sound. These are the four types of sounds. Is how will you prove the light travels in a straight line? Open the page number 143 and 44. They have given a experiment here. Is it? Like to do an activity to show that light travels in a straight line. The page number 143 and 44. You will get the answer. Okay. So this is the revision for the lesson number 5, light and sound. And this is it for today. In tomorrow's class, we will discuss we will revise the lesson number 6, that is force, work and energy. So idon lesson complete after the whole syllabus complete. Okay. So this is it for today. We will continue in the tomorrow's class.